This shirt should just say every day. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another healthy recipe for you. I kind of like this alternating between healthy and not healthy recipes because everything in moderation, right? But my breakfast cookies from 2 weeks ago, was that 2 weeks ago? Was actually a huge hit. Derek even liked them. And guess what? I have more ripe bananas and I have some leftover cooked quinoa. So today we are making some banana quinoa breakfast bars. For our ingredients, we have 3 large, very, very ripe bananas. They're so ripe that they're starting to come apart already in my hands. 1.5 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. You could use any mix-in that you like chopped nuts, dried fruit, coconut, but obviously chocolate chips because we need something a little bit sweet. 1 cup of cooked quinoa. This is just leftovers from my dinner. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. 2 tablespoons of almond butter. You can use any nut or seed butter that you like. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. These breakfast bars come together so easily. First, we are gonna toss together our dry ingredients, the oats, and our salt, cinnamon, and baking powder, and our cooked quinoa. Give this a little mix. And let's set this aside. And now we're gonna work on our wet ingredients, starting with our bananas. And we are just going to mash these with our fork. To this, I am going to add my egg, vanilla extract, almond butter, maple syrup, and our chia seeds and ground flax seeds. Believe it or not, these are going in with the wet ingredients because we actually want them to soak up some of that moisture. Okay, almost done. To this, we are going to add our dry ingredients and fold it all together. Now I'm going to add most of my chocolate chips. I'm actually gonna reserve a few to sprinkle on top so they'll be nice and pretty on the top. And I like to use dark chocolate chips. It's just a personal preference. And now I have a 9 by 9 inch pan lined with parchment paper, and we are going to spread our batter, our dough, just kind of squish it out into a nice flat layer. Now I am going to sprinkle the rest of my chocolate chips on top. This is purely optional. We are going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes or until the bars look set and it's starting to turn golden brown on top. These look and smell so good. They are just turning golden brown around the edges, and you can tell that they're done if you press on it and it feels firm. I've been letting mine cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to let the bars cool off a little bit before you cut into them because they need to set up. Mine are still a little bit warm, but I couldn't wait any longer, so we are going to cut into this guy. I am gonna cut mine into 9 pieces so they are nice and large. And I'm gonna cut mine into squares. You could obviously cut yours into bars or any shape that you like. Ooh, yes. Our chocolate chips are still nice and melty. It smells like chocolate, smells like cinnamon, smells like banana. Nice and warm. If you like banana bread, you're definitely gonna love these. It's full of banana flavor. It is plenty sweet, especially with the chocolate chips. These are the kind of recipes that I get excited about because anyone can make a bowl full of butter and sugar taste good. But if you can make healthy ingredients taste good, that's what I want to know. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. We made these healthy banana quinoa breakfast bars. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with all of your friends. Check out the links below. There's tons of cool stuff down there. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.